I'm Peter Wakefield. I'm the Director of Undergraduate Studies here at Emory University's Institute of Liberal Arts. And I will be co-teaching a course in May 2012 called The Ethics of Leadership. I'm team teaching this course with the director of the ILA, whose name is Kevin Corrigan. Both of our backgrounds are in philosophy, so this course is going to be very interesting to students who want not only to understand the history and theoretical background of leadership, but who also want to gain some personal leadership skills. The course is in the new 3-week format that is part of Maymester, and we are going to take advantage of that format by inviting a number of interesting speakers and friends of the Institute of Liberal Arts who themselves have gone on from their education here at Emory to positions of leadership. We'll also be calling on leaders from Emory University and giving the students a chance to do 3 things, really. One is to study the philosophy and history of leadership. 2 is to meet and talk to and pose questions to people in positions of leadership. Those questions will be on the basis of the readings that the students are doing. And 3rd, and this is really the important thing, it's an opportunity for Emory students to network with each other and with alumni and other friends of Emory University. And really, we're hoping that this will give the students something unique that they don't get in other classes, which is a chance to move from their education into sort of the practice of leadership, to start to form relationships and to make contacts that will help them go beyond Emory and begin to use their education in ways that are ethically responsible, but also leading them to positions of responsibility. So the course will look at a number of interesting thinkers, people like Marcus Aurelius, who was an emperor of the Roman Empire, but also a philosopher and reflected a lot on his leadership. Derek Bach writes a book about contemporary education. He was the president of Harvard. We'll be talking to the president of Emory University, hopefully, President James Wagner. We will be inviting a number of alumni of the Institute of Liberal Arts, people who've gotten their PhDs here. Michael Lomax, who is the CEO of the United Negro College Fund, and the Atlanta History Center director, Gordon Jones, both of whom graduated from here. We will be talking to Melissa Creary, who works at the CDC and is in charge of sickle cell anemia research there. We'll be talking to Bobby Paul, former dean of Emory College, and we'll also be talking to Mary Horton, administrative director of the MD PhD program at Emory's Medical School. So you see, there's a wide array of leadership skills that students will be exposed to. People in the private sector, people in museums, people in education, people in medicine and science. And the students will have this intense experience of reading and discussing theories of leadership and bringing those conversations to the visits with these individuals.